Hi, in the previous video, we have learned about the physical overview of the device. In this video, we will be learning how we can connect Keyer DSP series with our laptop and how we can download the software from the device and a little bit of overview of the software. Let's jump to the laptop screen. This is my laptop screen now. To download the software, first we need to connect a Cat6 cable directly from the DSP to our laptop. Then we have to come into the same IP range of the DSP. The default IP address of the DSP is 192.168.1.200. So to come in the same range, we will open our control panel. Then for the Ethernet, we will come in the same IP range 192.168.1.20. These last two digits should be different from the IP address of the device. Now we click on the subnet and it will gonna automatically appear, then press OK. Now we have come into the same IP range. Now to download the software, we need to open our browser, and in the browser address bar, we need to type the IP address of the device. 168.1.200, which is 192.168.1.200. When we press enter, we will get this screen. To download the software, we need to go to downloads. Then here is the option to download. When we click here, the software is downloaded. When you are downloading it, it will gonna appear that it is not certified by some application manager. To pass it through that, we need to click on three dots, then keep, then show more, keep anyway. Now the software has been downloaded. Now I will open the software and install it. I will press next, I will accept, next, next, install. Yes, finish. Now my software has been installed. So after installing the software, we need to open the software. We will simply search Keyer, then open it, press yes, and this is our Keyer DSP software. So as you know, as soon as we have opened the software in the device list, our connected device is here, which is Keyer 1616. Before going further, let's understand about the user interface of the software. On the left side here, we have the input section of the DSP. On the right side, we have output section of the DSP. These are our algorithms and modules. Then we have here file to save the file, settings to do the settings, view, help. In the help, you can always go to content and the software and the help file will be open where you can get more information about the software. Then on the right side here, we have scene to recall the preset, save to save your settings, connect to connect the DSP, search to search the DSP within the network. So once we are connected to the system, we need to search it. Then the device will appear here. Right now you can see a blue cross mark here. It means the device is in same IP range and device can be connected to the software without changing the IP address. If it's this mark appears red, we need to change our IP address as I have shown before. So to connect it, we simply need to double click it. Now it is asking for username and password. The default username is ADMIN and the password is 123456. And I will check that remember password so that for the next time when we are connecting to the device, these boxes will be automatically filled. Then press OK. Now we are connected to the DSP. How we can verify that thing? We have get a green check here, which means we are connected to the DSP right now. So this was the basic overview of the software. In the next video, we will be learning about basic features and basic programming of Keyer DSP software. Thanks.